three young people were injured in an accident between two bikes. The fire service officers has taken them to the Teliamura hospital after the incident. The injured people are Rajesh Debarma, Subita Debarma and B. Kaipeng. Incident took place at Teliamura 7-mile village.
Three young people were seriously injured in an accident between two bikes in a critical condition on Thursday morning at 7-mile village when they were going on the way to Amarpur from Teliamura. The fire service officer has taken them to the Teliamura hospital after the incident. The injured people are Rajesh Debarma, Subita Debarma and B. Kaipeng. Incident took place at Teliamura 7-mile village. With the information came to know that on Thursday morning a young man named B. Kaipeng was going on his way to Ampi from Khwai. On the other side, Rajesh Debarma and Subita Debarma was going to college in Teliamura. However, they collided and met an accident at 7-mile village. As a consequence, Rajesh Debarma, Subita Debarma and B. Kaipeng were seriously injured. The fire service officers arrived at the incident place immediately after they got the information and took them in Teliamura hospital.
মানে ওই বাইকটা ওভারটেক করে ছিল
ওভারটেক করে কইতে পারে না মানে এমনি রাইট ইও করে কোনা তাহলে আমি গাড়ি পিছনে আসছি তাহলে গাড়ি দিয়ে এমনি রাইট করে পিছন থেকে তাই না তো আমি দেখছি না মনি ওই তাই যে মনি করছি বাইক নাই আয়া আমি ইউ অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট
তোমরা কইতে কইছিল
আমরা আইছে তুই দিকে
তো দিকে
করে চাইছিলাম
আর ওই গাড়ির লোকে বাড়ি গেছো না দুই বাইকে বাড়ি গেছো গাড়ির লোকে বাড়ি গেছো না দুই বাইকে বাড়ি গেছো মানে বাইকের লোকে বাইক বাড়ি গেছো তোমার নাম কি দা হ্যাঁ?
In the end, the doctor has sent them back after the fast treatment. The local people assume that they met an accident because of speeding. Reported by Hiranmoy from Teliamura, Chini, Khorang.